Productivity may be the key to happiness that you've lost all along. So if you have two people, one person who's lazy and they falter in procrastination, they see themselves as someone who can't do what they say they're going to do, and you have a second person who is the complete opposite, motivated, driven, disciplined and productive towards the thing they set themselves, who is going to be happier? And most of the time, with exceptions not disproving the rule, the second person is always happier. The person who sees themselves as that guy that can do what they say they're going to do 100% of the time is going to live a more fulfilled and happy life, not only because it gets them to success faster by the sheer fact that being productive will do that, but also because of the way they see themselves and the self-image they hold. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you some actionable steps to see yourself as that person of productivity and hopefully help you shift that mindset to inevitably lead you to a more happier life. And if that sounds interesting, let's get into it. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18 and I coach unproductive people to turn productive once and for all. If you have aspirations but you falter in procrastination and a lack of productivity, this channel is for you. I personally was in that position with spending over 5,000 hours or 210 days straight wasted on Call of Duty and other such video games, but now I've effortlessly and easily turned it round to breeze through large banks of my work for my business, for my education and for my personal development goals, and I'm helping others do the same with this YouTube channel where I give tactical techniques, actionable strategies to help you turn your life around and live a more productive version of events. If that sounds interesting, subscribe. But how can we actually do it? And there's two methods. So the first method is changing the way you look. Getting into the gym, getting jacked, getting muscular, buying some nice clothes, getting a nice haircut, etc. can change the way you look. Because if you look in the mirror and you're a little bit overweight, you're a little bit podgy, versus when you look in the mirror and you're shredded and you have the physique you want, which is going to seem like you're more of that productive person, at least visually. And of course, it's the latter. You have this physique that you're proud of, you have the clothes that make you look good, you have the haircut that makes you feel like the person you want to be. But that's the hardest option, that's the trickiest option, that's the option that takes the most time. Whereas the second option is building the undeniable stack of evidence that you are who you say you are. You have a planner where you've planned the last 263 days of your life and you can see that on average you score 9 out of 10 every single time in terms of your productive rating of the day. That reinforces, that is an undeniable stack of evidence that you are who you say you are, and it's tangible. Anytime you face procrastination, you can open up your planner and you can see for hard fact that you are someone who is productive, and your mindset will shift and you will actualize into that productive version of yourself. And if you are looking for just that, if you're looking for 30 days of pure tangible evidence that you are productive, that's exactly what I'm offering in the top of the description in my productivity performance plan. We'll work together one-to-one for 30 days and I'm guaranteeing you 20 out of 30 days productive, or I'll work with you for free until you get that result. In terms of daily pricing, it's cheaper than the coffee you buy every single day. So if you're looking to invest in yourself and actually get a return this time, this is the opportunity just for you. This is your moment to change your mindset, to see yourself as someone productive. You'll get my personal phone number, this physical planner, templates, trackers, tools, and app, every single thing you need to be productive. Any problem you face with procrastination and lack of productivity, I will solve in those 30 days. And if you're interested in making a change, the top link will take you there. But with that aside, how can we see ourselves? How can we build this undeniable stack of proof that you are who you say you are? And it starts with recording the data. If you don't have something to look back upon, how can you reinforce this attitude? How can you reinforce this mindset? How can you have the tangible evidence if you simply don't write it down? And this is why planners are so important. Whether you use mine, which is linked in the description, available for you to purchase, though there is limited copies, or whether you just use a scrap piece of paper, your notes on your computer, you need to have an analytical bank of data that you can refer to reinforce the mindset you wish to hold. You wish to be someone who's productive, someone who beats procrastination and is disciplined every single day, but you don't have a bank of data that aligns with that undeniable truth that you wish to hold. You won't reach that opportunity, you won't reach that position. You need the tangible evidence, the data that says you are who you say you are, or you will not become that person. So you need to record. You need to write down, you need to plan your days, complete the day, rate it out of 10, and then you have this analytical data. So when 4 months pass, your planner is full. You can look back through, find the average of 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10 productivity days, and you will feel productive because you can see that you are tangibly in the real world as a fact productive. And I hope this video helped you. Again, if you're looking to work with me one-to-one, the top link will take you there. But thank you for watching. Subscribe.